Okay, so what we got here is Mercedes E-Class E220D 2019, now installed with a factory style CarPlay and Android Auto on the original screen. So as you can see, this is the original screen. We've not changed anything, everything's still original in the car. So the car didn't come with CarPlay, so what we've done is we've added it onto the system. So you hold on and press the back button and it will switch over to the CarPlay system. It is fully wireless, so no wires are needed. You can use your factory controller to control the system, and all the sound comes through the original system as well.
There will be times when the waves hit hard, but we won't wash away.
You can use all your favorite apps that are supported on the system, so Waze, Google Maps, you can all use that on here. As you can see, it gives you a nice big view of it. And you can always switch back to the original system by holding down the back button, and it will switch over. Obviously your reverse camera also will still work. The counter reverse still comes up. So yeah, if you want something like this installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Come visit our Car Sound Security in Ilford Gansel, IG2 6UA. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, guys.